Okay, sorry about that. I accidentally stopped the video. Let's do 22, and then I'm going to have you all do 23 by yourselves. So 22, suppose there are two balls with equal diameters and equal masses. One is solid and the other is hollow, with all of its mass distributed at the surface, like at the edges. Are the moments of inertia of the balls equal? And if not, which one's greater? Well, at first, you might have an idea about it, but I want to show you mathematically which one it is. So first of all, if a ball is solid, we use this equation. We use 2/5 mr squared. Okay? But if a ball is hollow, we're going to treat it the same as a hoop, because it's just a thin layer around, that's the only thing that actually has mass, is that thin layer around. So we treat that as a hoop. Well, that equation is just simply mr squared. So, are they equal? No. And which one is greater? The hollow one. The hollow one is mr squared, and the solid, its moment of inertia is only 2/5 that of a hollow one. The solid is only 2/5 as great as a hollow sphere. And so that's how you just have to look at these and say, oh, okay, this is, let's say if that was 100, this would be 2/5 of 100. So if this was 100, this would equal 40. All right? And so that's how you kind of think through number 22. 23 isn't really this difficult. We're kind of winding down this week. We've got Holy Week in front of us, so I'm not really going to strain your brains with this too much. So number 23, I'm asking you to calculate the moments of inertia for each object. Now you have to use table 2 to find out the formulas. So each object has a radius of 2 meters and a mass of 1 kilogram. So the math is going to be nice and simple. And they want you to find a thin hoop. Remember, that's what we just used. So that's mr squared. A solid uniform cylinder, which is 1/2 mr squared. And a solid uniform sphere, which we just used in number 22. And that's 2/5 mr squared. And so if you look at the table, you'll see these same equations. And I'd like you to complete number 23 for me today. And if you have time, which, I feel like all we do is have time, you can work on number 24, the challenge. All right? And so that's what I'd like for you to do for Monday's work. All right. Well, you guys have a great day, and I will talk to you again on Tuesday. Bye, guys.